Abraham from cweb.com. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm going to draw a carrot. Yes, I have several game ideas in my head. It's about time to start producing something instead of just talking all the time. So I already did the banana, I did an apple, but I taped them as well. But today I'm going to do the carrot. The carrot is the cutest of them all. I'm creating a carrot for the library, so we have a symbol and we can reproduce them as many times as we wish. And that's the tutorial for today. We'll be drawing a carrot, but having in mind that okay, this large rectangle is nothing but the body of the carrot. And we rest the mouse over the corner. This little corner shows up next to the pointer. We stretch, drag and drop. We have something like a comb, and now we are stretching the top. Let's change the stroke for something a little bit lighter. It goes like this. The carrot has those layers. They're not straight, but they are like arches across the carrot, and we want to have them. Now the technique I'm going to use is pretty simple. I'm going to draw a few lines across our carrot. They are not going to be symmetric. They'll be like they'll be close to one another but not symmetric. And then I'm going to cut and paste them in groups, giving a large effect and saving us from a lot of work. Even though they are the same size and the body of the carrot, it becomes straighter. Further down, you're going to use the free transform tool to make these lines fit. Now I'm going to here twist them a little bit up, a little bit down. The carrot, after all, not some kind of pipe, so the lines are asymmetric. They are not identical. Now I'm going to do a few lines, then copy all the arches. These lines, they become arches, and then I'm going to paste them further down, adjust to the size of the cone, and then we have the effect for our carrot. By the way, two notes. First, as you see, I'm editing inside of the symbol. I'm not editing on stage, meaning that this will affect every single library item we drag and drop from the library on stage. Every single carrot is going to be looking like this. Here we go. As I promised, we are now putting the same group further down, stretching, squeezing a little bit, and smooth those edges, and then we have little by little the body of our carrot is taking shape, and as a library item I'll be able to drag and drop as many carrots I want on stage. The same repeating pattern technique will be used for the top of the carrot. We're going to draw a few lines. On the top. I create a pattern, then we're going to copy and paste them several times, populating the head of our carrot. Now, I want to say something I say almost every tutorial, guys. I have several layers. As you can see, the layers are divided into parts of our object. One layer is the cone, one layer is the arches, one layer is for those green lines, and that helps a lot. For instance, now I need to move all of those green lines to be behind, underneath of the green cone that makes the body of the carrot. I'm able to drag and drop easy because I have not only the items on different layers, I also have them named properly, meaning that I know that each layer contains what. It's very useful, very powerful, and that enhances, that maximizes the power we have on Flash. That we have an object, the object is divided into parts, parts are divided into layers. Layers can be locked, layers can be moved, layers can be deleted. Guys, I repeat, always good to have parts on different layers. It's always good to name layers and lock the layers you're not working at, so we don't get mixed up. You don't have. Okay, now you have two type of paste, two type locations, two locations of paste. When pasting something in Flash, you can paste in center, and you can paste it in place. Meaning that if you paste in place, Flash will deliver what you're pasting right above on the same location as the source, as the original item you're pasting. That's very good for having a reference. For instance, right now I'm pasting those green lines. I want them to be a bit left from the source, or I want them to be a little bit right from the source. So when you release or you paste the item, it shows on a location that's referring to the source or to the effect, helping the effect you want to create. Again, I'm using the magnifying glass, so I have detail on the layer on the item I'm working now. Our carrot is taking shape, yes. Also note I'm editing inside of the symbol. I'm going to use the free transform tool to perhaps give a more proportionate look to our carrot. Our carrot is to be used on the game. I just had to come up with a game. Just seemed too long making tutorials, and I have game ideas. Now let's triple check for missing edges. Sometimes the edges are here or there. Looks okay, and let's paste this arch in place so we have more clear. Okay, my name is Abraham, and I am the webmaster at Say Web Tutorial, sayweb.com, and we produced over 100 tutorials, video tutorials on Flash and ActionScript. We have sponsors, they pay us commissions, they pay us for links, they pay us for exposure, and they pay you to learn for free. Yes, and you're welcome to join. We have a newsletter. Yes, you get automatic email notifications every time a tutorial is out, and it's without any advertisement so far, and it's a great way to learn, it's a great way to improve, it's a great way to make money, and you're welcome to join. This is our carrot. Eventually I'll be creating a game out of it. I don't know exactly what, I have a sketch, but stay tuned for the next tutorial. Thank you.